You remind me of how many ways there is to regulate ourselves. It can be from the hand to the heart, perhaps also the belly. Feel that connection. Another, to break that fear response can be to gently move your neck or simply your eyes. Connecting to the breath. Hug yourself. Massage certain points of the body. Or what I once discovered, simply moving about the backbone.
Yes. Move
The
the spine.
Yeah.
I also, if I get really nervous, say that I'm have a performance, for example, or a lecture, or can get really dry in my mouth, then I can just bite a little bit in my tongue. Produces saliva, and then I feel more, I'm here, I can speak without the voice cracking, or no. But coming down to sensations in the body, that is always a go-to.
Yes.
And it's always there, it's always available. The breath is always there. You can always feel. So that's a good one.
I also regard the felt sense as an anchor to presence.